Alright guys, this is Steven with Wyatt and Geller Garage. Today I picked up what I was believed to be told as a doodle bug. This mini bike right here. So it's got an extra plate. It's got an extra plate right here, as I can make for my mountain plate. That stuff's pretty freaking thick. Because right now it's got the original engine plate on there, and also picked this bad boy up for this, all in same, for 120 bucks. Picked up the frame. I picked up this engine. It's a Predator 212cc. It's got the tire right back there. That's the rear tire. The front tire is right here. It's a V-tread front tire. I'm gonna make that into the ultimate trail mini bike. So that way, just so I can go trail riding with all my buddies. Also, if you take a gander, we're going to take a gander up front here. Also, I picked up let's see. Yeah, I'm only going to run 35 chain for right now. I've got a brand new $50 clutch. Temporary fix. Just so I can get it riding. I've got a brand new chain brake. And 4-foot 35 chain. So I'm gonna leave it to y'all to let me know what color to paint it, because right now the orange, pink, and purple, or whatever color it is, really ain't my style. So this is Wyatt and Geller Garage.